Hey guys, it's day 2 of the beach. My hair. Okay. Just watching SpongeBob. Hey, he just fell in a hole.
Giant hole.
Ow!
Look, I made my hole shallow.
Oh, I got knocked off by the waves a couple times, and now I think I'm anti-wave. Is that a word? I don't know. It's really, really cold. Sand.
Okay, let's go.
Because I'm not really hot.
Hey guys. Let's put my phone away. So I actually have a phone after we're done with the beach. So we are back from the beach and I took a shower because my hair was all sandy. And now me and peanut butter did a sandwich and we're going to boardwalk. So boardwalk time.
Come on. Dog's going on.
Hey the bear.
Yeah, like I was a sun goddess when I was a kid because my mom spent so many years at the beach. Like we used to use Hawaiian shopping.
Hey the bear. Look. In the boardwalk. Ooh.
We're walking.
I really don't care. I think my hair's on point right now. It's pretty good, man.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody.
What are you doing?
Videotaping. YouTube.
You make your own little
Videos.
video blog? Hi. Hi. You gonna be famous now? Hi everybody. We're at Ocean City.
That's right.
Other than that, the weekend's been pretty exciting. An okay place to stay. I wouldn't say that, but it's okay. It'll do.
Made.
Mom's being, mom. It'll do. And of course, there's Kate and Bear, and his favorite toy is Salt. And Bubba Brown. So, doing this whole Oreo thing. So yeah, I mean, it's cool. The food's good. We had ribs last night. We'll have ribs tonight, and tomorrow we're going out for ribs. So.
Here's ribs.
So yeah, it's just another day in Ocean City. The water's really cold, which stinks. So I've got to go into the water like this all the time. So, well, what's a guy gonna do? He thought.
Are you done?
Got it if you flaunt it, right?
Are you done?
I got it, and I'm flaunting it. No, I'm not done. I'm just getting warmed up. Hey, here you go.
Let me get a picture. Hey, let me get a picture. Go over there with Elijah.
You want to shake his hand? Come on, Kate.
Peter, go get your picture of the turtle.
No.
I want to in the picture.
No, stay away from them. Henry! Henry! Oh my God!
Now you was supposed to do that?